Well, the change is just round the corner, and by that I mean some massive changes this time. The ACCA syllabus for all papers apart from taxation and UK taxation, the syllabus undergoes a change from the September cycle. So all of you who are planning to appear for the ACCA exams in September should be aware of the fact that the ACCA syllabus is undergoing a change, and there are quite a few interesting concepts that have been introduced in your syllabus across levels. So please watch this video to know what those changes are, and to inquire more about ACCA and its coaching, please drop a comment in the comment section below and we'll have our counselors reaching out to you. Well, to begin with, let's talk about tax and ATX later. Let's first of all talk about financial reporting and strategic business reporting. There's a massive change that has come up in these two subjects, and that change relates to IFRS 18, which is a new standard with respect to presentation and disclosure in the financial statements. Earlier, all of us were guided by IAS 1 and the conceptual framework, but with IFRS 18 becoming mandatory very soon and IFRS 18 becoming a part of your ACCA syllabus, you can expect questions on this topic in both financial reporting and strategic business reporting. IFRS 18 has a completely revamped way of looking at the concept of financial reporting. IFRS 18 specifically has brought in like a 180-degree change in how you present information in statement of profit and loss and other comprehensive income. For those of you who are already aware as to how financial reporting functions, I am sure you know that when you used to prepare cash flow statements, there used to be three categories: operating, investing and financing cash flows. Something quite similar is going to be introduced in statement of profit and loss in accordance with IFRS 18. There are changes expected in how you present your balance sheet and how you present your other comprehensive income, how you present your cash flow statement. And the additional performance measures which were earlier not a part of the financial statements and something that management included of its own accord, the Accounting Standards Board is now trying to give a formalized structure to this as well. All of that the courtesy of IFRS 18. There are added emphasis points on sustainability reporting and integrated reporting in these subjects. So people who are writing FR and SBR in the upcoming quarter, please make a note of the fact that there are massive changes lined up, and this is not important just from an examination point of view. This is equally important for us to know, because when we step out in the world as professionals, how financial statements are presented and how information is disclosed is going to be an important part in your professional journey. So do not miss out on studying these changes properly from an examination perspective and also from a perspective of growing in your career. Subjects like financial management and advanced financial management have small changes which have been introduced, and they have increased the scope of testing in the exam. So people who have studied AFM earlier but now want to write the paper should study these concepts in a refresher sort of a manner, which will only help you to increase your knowledge of financial management and be prepared for what is going to come. The taxation and advanced taxation papers have already undergone a change from the June 2025 exam. Newer rates of applying taxation have been introduced for the United Kingdom, and all of these of course will trickle down in your tax and ATX papers. There are massive changes that have been brought in. So in case if you have watched recordings of the previous year, then those recordings are not going to be relevant for you anymore. It is important that you renew your understanding of taxation laws after keeping in mind all the amendments and the rates change that have been introduced by the HMRC. Same thing applies for performance management at the skill level and advanced performance management at the professional level. So here all in these two papers as well, sustainability has gotten a little more importance, plus small changes and topics have been introduced throughout the ACCA syllabus. Again, if you have been watching the old recordings, they are not going to be very relevant for you. There is a change in which ACCA is going to test you on these concepts, so brace yourselves up for that. And given that the presentation and disclosure of financial statements is going to change as per IFRS 18, the syllabus of AA and AAA is also going to undergo a change to reflect the changes in financial reporting. So again, the way you frame your answers, the way you study certain concepts in audit and assurance and advanced audit and assurance is also going to be different. Brace yourself for these changes. to know more as to what exactly is going to be removed, what is going to be added, and how should you be equipped for that, you need to get in touch with the right people. We at Plutus Education are here to help you advance in your career and make sure that you get the right guidance when it comes to all these aspects. If you wish to know more about ACCA, please drop a comment in the comment section below and we'll have our expert counselors reaching out to you. At the same time, if you have liked the video, please press the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the Plutus Education channel. Guys, also download the Plutus Education app for all important updates for the ACCA exams.